Hi everyone, today I'm going to show the recipe of BISCOFF cheesecake. First of all, I've took 1 pack of BISCOFF biscuits and I've grinded them. I put these grinded biscuits in the glass tray for the base and kept some on the side for garnishing as well. Now I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of butter and I'm going to melt in the microwave. I'm going to add these to the biscuits and mix it well to make the base. It's a very easy recipe. You don't need to put it in the oven or bake it. It just comprises of few cold ingredients. I've mixed the butter well into the biscuits. Now I'm gonna set this. I've used this ramekin to press it down. You can use a spoon or anything like that to press it and make a firm base. Now I'm gonna put it on the side. Now I'm going to take 2 tubs of Philadelphia cream cheese. 1 tub is 165, so that will make 330 grams of cream cheese altogether. We have to make sure that the cream cheese is at the room temperature. I'm not going to add sugar. I'm using half a can of condensed milk instead. This will give a nice taste and texture. I'm going to whisk it until the cream cheese thickens and make firm peaks. The cream cheese is whisked. Now in a separate bowl, I'm going to take 500 ml of double cream. You can use any brand. Make sure it's cold so it's easier to whisk. If the cream is left out at the room temperature, it doesn't whisk properly and doesn't make soft peaks. So we have to make sure it's cold. Now I'm going to add 200 grams of BISCOFF spread into the cream and whisk it again until it blends properly. The cream is now whisked properly. Now I'm going to add these biscuits that I put aside. Also I'm going to add the cream cheese and the condensed milk mixture. I'm going to fold this in properly. As you can see, the texture is so creamy and the biscuits inside are going to enhance the flavor. All these ingredients are blended in properly. Now I'm going to pour all this mixture into the glass tray. With the help of spatula, I'm going to make a smooth surface at the top. I'm going to leave it in the fridge overnight to let it chill properly. If you're in a rush, you can put it in the freezer as well for at least 1 hour. Now for the ganache, I melted 200 grams of BISCOFF spread. I'm going to layer it at the top. It will give a creamy, smooth and shiny final look to the cheesecake. You can decorate it however you like it. I put some biscuits on the sides and crushed biscuits on the edges. Do try this recipe. I hope you've enjoyed watching the video. Thank you so much.